what's up. Now you can't see me. All right, we made it here. Episode numero 6. Forest Hills Skate Park in Queens, New York. Forest Park. Welcome to it. Your boy Vincent Basile from the Rad Boardsport Company. If you guys have not been watching what we're doing, the Rad Skate Park Check-in New York City edition. We were getting in every single skate park in New York City, and now we're here. Yo guys, Terror showing up. Showing up to skate today. Let's do what we're here to do. Let's check this thing out right now. Now we're in the Forest Park, medium-sized park. The last 2 parks we went to were dumb small. This park you're gonna find a variety of things, like right off the bat. Pole jam. Live in action with the Terror. Like I said, pole jam. Fun box over here. Spend hours on this. It's one of the most perfect fun boxes. I love it. Yeah, baby. Sammy's here. You remember saying get this kid a t-shirt on film. This kid a t-shirt. I definitely did say that.
Oh snap! I was definitely wearing this.
Thanks for showing up.
Thank you so much.
You about to meet the future? The future? Well, his name's Sammy, but that's the future. Yo, we didn't talk about the ramp. Here's the ramp. And there's a jungle in there.
Let me see that feeble to fakey. Huh? Yeah, dude. I'm so over.
Cause that hurt. Guys, there's like weird shaped boxes in the park. Obstacles for sliding, getting on top of. Everything has that nice coping on it, so you're gonna definitely grind. And this box, curved. It's curved, so it's different. This one's curved. Get creative, do something different. Whatever you want to do, be different. Try different things. Stroll around the park. Big amount of space for flat ground. It's wide open, so you can definitely find your space, flow around. Pipe. It's got like a little turn. It's a little different, which is cool. Grind across the whole thing, moving right along. Nice kicker, nice bank. With a ledge right here, pretty high. Euro gap built right into it. Right there, gap it. Little vert ramp on that side. Right smack in the middle of the park. We need you for something. What do you need? I need you to post up right here. For what? You want me to sit here? No. Alright, bro. I trust you.
Don't get nervous.
I'm not nervous. Yo, ground report. Yo, the ground is rad here. You might need to bring the broom though. A few sticks because of the trees. It's great. I love it. I don't want a brain contusion.
Yes, Sammy.
What did you do? God damn. The ground is good. The ground is great. The ground is rad.
Jump over me?
Not me. What'd you do? An ollie? 360?
Nah, I just indie grab.
I was so scared. That was rad. You got it. Yo, Terrace, save that one for later. It's a box. You never see this anywhere. Pretty sweet. What are you guys busting out on that obstacle? Other corner. Here's this curved ledge. Kind of never really seen this. Maybe a bench, curved bench, not a curved ledge. There it is. It's just over a foot high, and you're definitely grinding and sliding. Carry wax. I say that in every episode. Maybe something's not moving, so bring the wax. Over here, we have a roll-in. We have a bank right next to it, and the hip. There's a lot going on over here. There's definitely a lot going on with this obstacle right here. Because boom, then you have this. Straight up. This wall right here. That's gnarly. You could definitely hit that. And then this quarter pipe. Find your flow. If you didn't want to go that way, you could hit this thing. Definitely the highest thing in the park.
Thank you, Van Store.
Wow. I'm deep. Shout out to Lewis. Showing up. Mad love. Shout out to Tristan. Out here throwing down some tricks. Definitely shout out to Sammy, Bernie Stack. Shout out to everyone that threw down. Much love to everyone out here, all the homies. Thank you. If you like the merchandise that you see me wearing, check that out at www.radboardsport.co. Check us out at Instagram, also Facebook. Shout out to everyone, man. I can't say thank you enough. Now we're gonna eat tacos and drink margaritas and tip. See you on the next episode, man. Ride all day. Bathrooms are right there.